Hey friends, welcome to the #1 RV campground just outside of Regina, Saskatchewan. Welcome back, friends. So Rollins and I have been here at the #1 RV campground, which is just outside of Regina, Saskatchewan in Canada. And yeah, it's a small, quaint little campground. You have 28 sites. They all have three-way hookup, so you have your 30 amp power, your water, and your sewer. And then there's a dedicated tent area, so if you happen to be one of those guys that is biking through or that kind of thing, or you're just in a car with a tent, there's a nice little area kind of in the back over here for that kind of thing. So yeah, it's one of those campgrounds that basically has all the amenities you need, but it's not classifying itself as a resort. It's not pretending to be a resort. It has your power, your water, your sewer. It has a washroom building with a little area, like a sitting area. There's a desk if you need to work. So if you happen to be in a car and, pull in and you're using your tent area or that kind of thing, or you just want to get out of your camper and go in, you can sit at the desk there and work right close to the Wi-Fi, which is free. Then you have the two washrooms inside the same building that are basically washrooms with showers, free hot showers. And the only other thing that you could possibly need to pay for here is if you want to do laundry. They have a washer and a dryer, and the washer load is $2 a load, which is actually cheaper than anywhere I've seen so far this year on my way coming across Canada. So they're not nickel and diming you to death. They're not overcharging. It's a sufficient little campground. It's open all year round, so if you do happen to be in the area working and you have a decent RV that can withstand the winter, you can plug in here and go to work. There's been some guys here apparently this summer, a couple noticed that looked like they were working, and yeah, it's just a perfect little spot to save you some money. Other than that, you're basically about 20 minutes from right downtown Regina. Costco, Walmart, literally 15 minutes away. And yeah, everything you need is here. You have your washrooms, you have your showers, you have power, water, sewer. It's flat, it's level. Aside from a little bit of highway noise, because we are close to the #1 highway, which is hence the name. Aside from the highway noise, it's a fairly peaceful place to be. You got lots of green space. I've been walking Rollins around. And if you happen to be from this area and looking for RV storage, they have various storage options. There's the fenced in area with cameras, or there's the area over here that's just basically RV parking on the grass. So aside from that, I don't really know what else to tell you. I'll show you around so you get a feel of what it's like to be here. Rollins and I have been here almost 2 weeks, and we're heading out pretty quick. So here's a little view of the #1 RV campground outside of Regina, Saskatchewan. And I'll see you on the other side. Well, friends, there you go. There's the #1 RV campground in Regina, Saskatchewan. Sherry and Earl Argue are the owners, and Kim is the caretaker. And yeah, everybody seems very friendly, very nice. Kim will direct you in, help you back in if you're backing in. He also helps set up the sewer part of your system. So basically with the sewer, they do it a little different here. Kim helps you set up the connection to your unit and runs the long PVC pipe to the main pipe and connects that, and you're good to go. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We got more coming. Rollins and I are heading into Alberta in the next couple of days, and from there, I will chime in again with a new video, and we'll talk to you all soon. Thanks for watching, and take care. Bye.